The FGN Savings Bond offer is now open. Usually, the federal government opens the offer in the first or second week of every month. So, what I'll be teaching you in this video will apply whenever you get to watch this video, except if there's any change, which I will, of course, bring to your attention. Without further ado, let me get to my computer and show you how to invest in FGN Savings Bonds. Okay, guys, thanks for staying with me. So in this video, I'm not going to bore you with trying to explain what the FGN Savings Bonds is or the benefit. So I've done that in a video that I would put the link in the description. So you can go to the link to watch it and follow my explanation on what the FGN Savings Bond is about. So what I have before me today is the offer for subscription for February 2025. Okay, so as you can see on the offer document, on the offer for subscription document, the savings bond is issued by the Debt Management Office on behalf of the federal government, right? So what we have currently is the 2-year FGN savings bonds, and then the 3 years FGN savings bonds. The interest rate has increased slightly from what we had in January. Okay, so what we have in for January was 2 year. The 2-year option was 17.235%, and the 3-year option was 18.235%. But in February, the rate has increased. We now have 2-year FGN savings bonds with 17.799% per annum, and the 3 years FGN savings bonds at 18.799%. So this is good time for investors. The interest rate is increasing, and this offer is opened. Was open today, February 3rd, which I recorded this video. So it will close by 5 p.m. on February 6, 2005. That is when the stockbroker will stop accepting applications for the bidding. Of course, stockbroker also need a day to then round up the process and ensure that we meet up with the February 7th closing date. Okay, so without wasting much time, let me show you how to invest in the FGN savings bonds. So I will head on to Stanbic IBTC stockbrokers. So that is my preferred stockbroker. So there are many other stockbrokers out there that you can also use, so that you can try. You can use other investors like CSL stockbrokers. We also have Maritime stockbrokers. There are many other stockbrokers out there that you can invest in. I'll drop a link to the SEC website where you see a list of all licensed stockbrokers that you can invest with. All right. So I'll be going with Stanbic. I'll be showing you how to invest with Stanbic IBTC stockbrokers um, platform. You can also do this on Afri Investor. Lest I forget, you can hit on Afri Investor app. It's quite seamless. So, but the truth is that the FGN Savings Bond is done electronically. So across all platforms, it's done electronically. So let me just take you through how it's done on Stymic IBTC platform. So like I said earlier, the February offer is open and it will close on Thursdays, 6th of February by 5 p.m. That is when they will stop accepting application, right? So just let me just quickly explain some things to you, right? So these are the dates you'll be getting your interest payment: 12th of May 2025, 12th of August 2025, 12th of November 2025, and 12th of February 2026 for the February offer. These are the dates you will get all your interest payments or your coupon payments, right? So the minimum you can buy is 5,000 naira and multiples of 1,000. So you can do 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, and more, up to 5 million naira. The interest will be paid to you quarterly, right? So the yield for the 2 years bond is 19.023%, the effective yield, and the effective yield for the 3 years bond is 20.16%, right? So to invest with Stanbic IBTC, you can email them directly or you call this phone number. So, but you can actually just do everything online without necessarily emailing them. So I will show you how to go about it. So first things first, you will be making payments, right? When you decide the amount of bond you want to buy, you are going to make payments to these accounts, right? So you'll be sending your monies to these accounts. This is the account name and this is the account number. So of course, send it from your bank account so that it's easy to trace. Then the next thing is so the next thing you do is to click on this form, right? All right, the next thing you do is to click on this form. So let me click it. Let me click it. Yeah. So all right, so it's open up this way. It's open up this way. So what you do now is to complete each of these boxes. So all these fields are actually required. All these fields are asterisk, and I think everything is actually asterisk. They're all required. So the first thing is to enter my surname, right? So I won't be typing anything because of for security reasons. Second thing is to type other name. So I will recommend you type your first name first, then your other name if you have another name. Then of course your email address comes here, your phone number. So you put in your phone number here, and then you type in your address. You type in your address. So there's a question here. So it's saying non-resident subscriber. So if you do if no, I reside if you reside in Nigeria, you're not a non-resident, then you have to tick this box, right? So when you tick this box, it will ask for your state of residence, right? So but if you are a non-resident and you reside abroad, you tick this box, and to just ask you for the states you reside and the country you reside, right? Then you enter your BVN here, enter your BVN here, then your payment slip. So you must have decided how much you want to invest, how much you want to buy, how much of bonds of savings bonds you want to buy. So you would have made that payment to the accounts. So this account that we have here on this first page, how to invest, under how to invest, make payment for subscription using your investor first name and last name as payment narration. So you put your name and last name as payment narration, and you make payment to this account. To this account. So it's a Stanbic Bank account, right? So this is the account name. So you make your payment to that account. All right. So now back to the form. So you upload that payment slip here. So whatever form it is, make sure it's in PDF or JPEG or PNG, and then upload it to this through this link, right? Then you come back here. So your bank where you want to receive your interest, coupon payments when it is paid, and your principal eventually. So you put your bank and you do the drop down, and you select your bank from the list of banks that are here. Then you type in your account number, right? Then you put in your CHN number. So your CHN number is your clearinghouse number. If you're a first-time investor, you won't have a CHN number. So you can type null here, NULL, right? So Stanbic will open a CHN number for you, the clearinghouse number for you, the issue one for you, and then you would have that and you'll be using it subsequently, right? So also your stockbroker's name, you put it here. So if you are a new investor, so you just put null here since you are new, or you can just write Stanbic IBTC if you have decided to use Stanbic IBTC. So you can put Stanbic IBTC there, right? Then stockbroker's CSCS number. So here as well, you don't have this, right? You don't have this yet if you're a new investor. So you can type in null as in null this way, type in null this way, and you'll be fine. Type in null here too for first time investors. So but if you have this, fill in the information, please. Then the amount you have on your on your payment slip, the payment evidence you have made, you put the amount there, and you select the tenor that you are investing. Is it 2 years? Is it 3 years? You pick one of them. You pick whichever one it is, right? And then you click subscribe, and you are invested in FGN Savings Bonds. And now you just need to fold your arms and wait for your alerts in your bank on a quarterly basis, right? So it's very simple and straightforward. So guys, please don't sleep on this, up on this investment, up on this quickly, and try to cash in, start to make money from the government, right? So I hope you won't sleep on this. If you have watched this video up to this point and you are yet to like the video, please like the video. And if you are not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. And if you are meeting me for the first time, my name is Funsho. I am a chartered accountant and I have experience in capital market research, consulting, finance, and advisory services. On this channel, I discuss personal finance, investing, entrepreneurship, business, and wealth creation. If you are interested in growing your income, earn passive income, and learn how to invest in government securities and stocks, just like we've done today. And you also want to learn how to make money online, I invite you to join this community. Please click the subscribe button and watch out for more videos from me. Please watch the video on the screen next. Thank you.